Hi, welcome to room A106 at Okemos High School. My name is Sharon Murchie, and I'm excited to be here with you this year. Always, my goal is to approach teaching and life with passion, integrity, a real drive for equity and excellence. And I hope to be able to inspire your students to do the same. Here at Okemos, I teach three courses, Lit Comp 10 and English 10, which are variations of a sophomore level required English course, and then Grammar in the English Language, which is a senior level English Language Arts elective. And again, the focus on passion for the students and passion for the content, with integrity, making sure that I model honesty and I model excellence, and I help students also strive for integrity in all that they do. We always approach with equity so that students have what they need in order to be successful, and we always strive for excellence in everything that we do. Texts that we will be reading in Lit Comp 10 and English 10 will include personal narratives from the New York Times, also news articles and web resources that I bring in as supplemental texts. We will read the novel Dear Martin. We will read the informational text, The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, also the novel of Mice and Men, the Shakespearean play Much Ado About Nothing, and we'll spend some time looking closely at several speeches from Dr. Martin Luther King. Expectations and procedures in my class are pretty straightforward. Every week, I post a weekly agenda in Google Classroom, and on that agenda are all assignments and resources that students will need for that week. There's always a checklist at the end of the week on that weekly agenda so that students know exactly what needs to be turned in. All assignments for each week are due by midnight on Friday. That way students have the weekend to spend time with family and to be able to focus on their passions, their jobs, things other than school that are also an important part of their life. Also, I will update my website, murchie.org, with those weekly agendas so that parents and guardians and others can also access what we're doing and studying and the resources we'll be using each week. I do accept late work for full credit all semester long. That's because my goal is that students are not penalized for being late, but rather have the opportunity to really strive for excellence in all that they do. I do check for late work once a week, so if students are turning things in late, they will need to be a bit patient so that I have a chance to sweep for late work. Late work will affect students on their professionalism score, which is a score that evaluates student engagement, student participation, student timeliness, all of those work and life skills that we also work on in high school. And finally, students can rewrite major assignments in order to show mastery. Our goal is always that things can always be improved upon, and I want to make sure that students have the opportunity to do that. I also am the advisor of Business Professionals of America here at Okemos, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about that. This is our second year. Last year, we had students compete at nationals, at states and at regionals, and place at all three locations. Students have the opportunity to work on business-related skills, including technology-based skills, word processing-based skills, speeches, videos, website design, etc. If you want to learn more about BPA for your student, the website is okemosbpa.weebly.com. That's still a work in progress. You can also email us at bpa@okemosk12.net, and our Instagram is okemosbpa. Finally, a little bit about me. Like I said, my name is Sharon Murchie. I have my doctorate in educational technology from Central Michigan University. I have a master's in education that I earned from the University of Edinburgh, and I have a bachelor's in English from Michigan State University. I am also a runner, a mom, a writer. I freelance for a couple of different companies. I also work over the summer providing professional development to teachers who are already working in the field. And so I wear a lot of hats, but I'm excited to be here and to work with you and your students. You can contact me at any time at sharon.murchie@okemosK12.net, and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and I look forward to a great year.